help you. You're gonna hunt. Frank needs again to go out for grocery. And Francine is wondering, what happened to Papa? Come here.
Oh, Francine.
You want kiss, kiss. Uy, murag hapadulog yung Papa, uy. Your mama has a breakfast in the bed from Papa. Okay, wait. Breakfast, coffee, and toast. And then we have outside. Ang dumi ng bintana namin, kailangan linisin. Hi guys! Okay. Dito ako ngayon sa sa hallway ng bathroom at saka papuntang hallway. Yan ba? Inano ko yun Ang daming mga laruan. Tiyan ako Ang daming mga laruan dyan. May mirror kami dito. Tapos natanggal yung ipapaayos ko to ni Frank. And then ito, lihok-lihok ta kay wala. Corona man, so nasa bahay lang tayo. Close natin yan, be. Ang banyo namin. Doon ako nagsasampay kasi para mas easy ikon. Kaya every 2 days or every day ako naglalaba. Nagload lang ako doon ng mga linens namin. Nag-change kasi ako ng linens kahapon. And then, wait. Ito yung gagawin ko. Ko siya? Tatapon ko na to. Mga boxes lang to ng mga toys toys. And then another toys here. So, ayun ang samukan. Hi. Yeah, Mama will take that away. Put that in the bin. Yeah, ko siya guys para malinis dito. Na banda kasi I think ito sa bed to Sa bed to ng kids room before. Tapos tinapon na ang case ni tinapon na ang bed. Tapos ito hindi ko pinatapon kasi could be na magagamit siya next time. Sort out kung ilang kasi nilagay ko dyan lahat yung mga toys. Some stage maiiba tong room na to kasi dito na matutulog si Francine. Yan mga toys ni Francine. And then pinapasort ko yung iba doon kasi ilalagay ko siya sa sa box. Mas inaano ko kasi na mag-study sila kaysa maglaro. Diba ang kalat lang dito. Yan is from IKEA, Malm. I like Malm, guys. Gusto ko talaga mga gamit sa IKEA. See? This is from IKEA, Malm. I'm planning to get another one nito para sa mga stuff ni ma-move ko yung stuff ni Francine sa ganito. Tapos yung nasa amin, sa IKEA din yun, pero
Where's this gonna come? Basement?
I have to see. Then, ito din, ma'am, ay sa IKEA din to namin nabili. Para siyang, para siyang shelf. Ayan.
Put it back there.
At ito yung bed na nabili din namin sa IKEA. Yung may pa dito. Ayan yung labas. Ayan. Tapos yung carpet, tanggal ko to siya. Pero hindi pa ngayon kasi baguhin ko to dito. Pero hindi pa ngayon kasi may mga stuff pa kaming inuuna like hallway and kitchen para mas organize siya guys kasi ang daming kalat. So that's why tinransfer ko si Francine dito kasi pag sa kwarto namin siya naglalaro, ang daming mga laruan. Tapos napupunta ang iba sa sa ilalim ng bed namin at nahihirapan ako every time na mag-hoover. Paano ko sa kanila yung mga toys nila. Kasi inano ko to sila one time, inano ko, ilang buwan na ba? na tinanggalan ko sa lang toys kasi ang kalat dito at saka hindi sa marunong mag clean up, tapos hindi na sila nag-study. Kaya pinatanggal ko yung lahat ng toys, pinaano ko sa sako, yung bin bag. Ano, Francinister? Helping. So, ito yung gagawin namin today. Clean up a bit. Pero hindi talaga changes na malakihan. Pinapasort ko lang yung mga toys nila. You're gonna hunt. Frank needs again to go out for grocery. And Francine is wondering, what happened to Papa?
Grocery? What grocery?
Milk.
You want boxes. Yeah, we have to get milk.
You have your purse? Francine, come here. Come here.
Oh, Francie.
Yun. Kiss. Uy, murag padulog yung Papa, uy. Come here na. Get inside because it stinks.
Papa's baby.
Come on here. Come on. Haya.
Francie, go inside.
Come on. La. Come here, Papa. Ella, are you not supposed to go down? So? These boxes ba? You help Frank on that. Come on, Francine, get inside.
I can take the box.
Nagutom ako, kain muna kami kasi kanina, di ba, ano lang yung kinain ko, toast with a bit of Nutella. Then ngayon gumagawa ako ng sandwich with this salami and then cheese with full corn toast, yung ganito na toast, yung full corn. So inaantay ko na lang siya tapos kain muna ako. Tapos dumating na yung in-order ko na blinds, same nito sa sa window namin, pero last time sayop to eh.
Yeah.
Ito guys, sa Amazon ko yan siya in-order, tapos 20 something ata.
Hello, no vlogging here.
Tapos sayop siya. Nag-ano si Ella. Video call sa Philippines family ko. Akong tripod. Tapos dumating siya, ayun, yung dalawa kasama niya. Sana sakto tama na tong size niya kasi yung isa nakita niyo naman medyo may siya space sa pero sa kids room lang namin siya nilagay. Luto na. Gusto ko siya i-toast, toasted siya. Ang ibabaw medyo toasted siya, kaya like ko. So fancy na hinanap yung cheese. Here's your cheese. Go there. Cheese, that's cheese. Mas bet niya kasi cheese eh.
Hot?
Yeah, that's not hot. Ito yung cheese na pinapakain ko sa kanya. Yung, ewan ko ba nito eh. Ano yan sa English? Ito naman yung cheese na ginagamit ko sa sandwich kasi mas bet ko siya. So, ayan. Kain muna ako. The blinds. It's there now.
Yeah, I know. I've seen them.
You didn't see it yet. We gonna touch it?
Yeah, if you open that, yeah.
Yeah. So, come on.
I will do that. So what about you, Francie?
Sin is gonna sleep again. It's easy to attach, right?
It is, yeah. Once you
Yeah,
know how to do it.
No. Papa, no.
Are you wet?
No, you, back. No, you cannot.
Can I eat the juice? That's my daughter here.
The light.
She's so cute.
Who is that?
I love that girl.
You're sleepy? Here, where is that? The DHL. Hindi na pumupunta sa taas, guys. Pinababa lang ako nila at kinuha to.
I need to have rubber gloves.
Yeah? Why?
Who knows who touched pajama?
Again, your favorite pajama. It's always like that. I don't know, it's like...
When I get home, it's the first thing I do is take off my clothes, put on something baggy.
It's like that is your uniform here. What?
It's not the same
It's not the
plastic
same?
box anymore. It's like this now.
Are you sure?
Are you sure that's the right one? I wonder.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
That's for the door sa aming bedroom. At this is para sa aming window. Para ma-change na siya, guys.
I didn't expect it to be that quick.
Yeah, it's quick na. It's supposed to be on Monday. Francine, come down. So, bibili pa ako ng para dito. So, i-change ko din to kasi I like that one na binili ko sa Amazon kasi kahit nakababa yung blinds, bright siya, tapos hindi kami makikita. People from outside, hindi kami makikita. Tapos dyan din, bibilhan ko pa yan. Here. And Frank's office too. How many more? 1, 2... Not that one, B. Oo. Every time na magkuhan siya, guys, badlungon siya sa yung papa, nagaganyan siya, nag-alawakbar. I don't know. She understand really.
Yeah. Not towards Mecca, towards Papa. That's good. Papa, yeah. Papa is big. Papa is everywhere. Should take that off here. 3M is made in Hilden near us.
Nara, doon sa amin, guys. Yung factory nito. Yung lagi niyong nakikita sa ano ba? Pang stick. She can reach that there, I think.
Yeah, but it needs to be like that.
Still junior, still there.
Yeah,
Wonder
that's
how-
fine.
See, ayan na siya. Yung
All you
sa
do is-
door.
You lift that here.
Yeah. It's really high, that one. Because it's 100. I measured that, I think. Did you stick it? Or no?
I didn't
Okay.
stick that up there because
Yeah.
it should not.
That's all?
Yeah.
Yan na,
It's the
kabahan.
same as before. The other one.
It's 80 by 140.
Or you're gonna do it like.
Yeah. I want it always like that para yung ano ba, yung init. Now, next one here. It looks good there. Pero that one, I'm not sure if they have that size. Ito din,
It's the
guys.
same.
Gusto ko din
Also,
sana. No.
She's talking about this one.
This one here.
This is
See, guys, I always put it down kung natutulog si Francine.
almost 2
Oh.
meters.
Pero pag hindi siya tulog, tinataas ko yan siya. Tapos mura ko langanan ba. Munang gusto ko siya ding i-change pero we're not sure kung merong size niya. Hanapin ko pa. So this one here, baby. Yeah.
Yeah,
See, it looks good there. It really looks good. We just need to clean our window. Para we don't need curtains ba? If they have the size, we don't need curtains. Kasi ang curtains, ang cortina, guys, hanggang dun siya, oh. Tapos, samukan ko. Hindi ko pa natapos yung crib ni Junior. Ipipaint ko pa sana to eh. Kasi may mga ganyan, guys. Si Francine kasi, nung baby pa siya, kinikit-kit niya. Mutugahan na. Tapos i-repaint ko sana. Pero I'm not sure kung matatapos namin yan. Hindi ko pa na-prepare yung bed niya. Ay, bed ni Baby Junior. Hindi na ako gagamit ng newborn crib. Nasa basement kasi feeling ko mas maganda ito diretso na para pag lumaki siya, hindi siya mamimili. Like Francine, hindi siya na tutulog dyan na crib. Guys, na-install na din yung isa. Hi! Say hi, guys!
Ay, wow. May pa-video-video ka, no?
Oh, nag-ilis.
Vlog ka na po ka, no?
Vlog ko. Hi, Cassie! Hello! Hello! Keep na ni Frank yung daan. Yung luma. See, it's more better. Our room now is baby. I really should find the size of that.
Which one?
That one there, so we don't need curtains. Instead of buying curtains.
So Mama Rose can have these.
Yeah. For that store. So this size here in the window is the size of your window also there. Kailangan ko pa din dito guys. Sa room ni Frank, so I need more actually. So one, change din namin ng ganon kasi mas maganda siya kasi mas maganda lang siya. Ito pala yung room ni Frank. Kita niyo na ba tong room ni Frank? Daming router blades. Daming trabahuin dyan. So, good. Ayun guys, kailangan ko namang pabili ako ni Frank nito. 3 storage siya para sa mga stuff na hindi na namin gagamitin. Like toys, mga damit na hindi masyadong ginagamit. And then, this one para sa tools. So, i-arrange ko siya. So, madami-dami at tayong ginagawa ngayon. Spending our COVID staying at home.
Where's the paper?
It's in the mirror near now because I put it out here. Where the mirror is. So, si Francine ay sleepy. So, I think I still, patulugin ko muna yun, guys. Tapos, meron pa kaming layhay yun dito, eh. Palayhay ko ng Frank. Patulugin ko muna, tsaka ko i-continue yung trabaho ko. That needs to be hang na.
That?
Yeah. I bring Francine to bed.
By the way,
What? What, by the way?
what did you say? Did you order it at the IKEA? Mine?
No, because it's in German.
So we're going to do that now.
Yeah.
You
I
do
bring
that now.
Francine to sleep first because she's really annoying now.
Do